Aditya Raj Kaul still with me. Aditya, let's just focus on Shaheena for a moment here. We have her image for the first time here on NDTV, a crucial link to this huge puzzle that the investigators are currently trying to solve.
Well, yes, this is the first image of Shaheen Shahid that we are breaking on NDTV. This image clearly indicates the lady that was involved in this entire terror conspiracy that was unraveled by the Jammu and Kashmir police. Dr. Shaheen Shahid was also in this particular university in Faridabad, Haryana. She was very close associate of Muzammil, his girlfriend, and closely monitoring the developments as part of this terror conspiracy. Shaheen Shahid was also the owner of the vehicle that was used by Muzammil. In fact, when the raid took place, an AK-47 rifle was also recovered from this particular vehicle owned by Shaheen Shahid. What we also know is that last few years she was in contact with Muzammil and Adil, continuously helping them out. And apart from that, she was part of that Al Falah University in Faridabad, Haryana. She was also someone who originally hails from Lucknow in Uttar Pradesh, and that's why there could be some help sought from the UP ATS and the UP police as well when it comes to this kind of an investigation. But first on NDTV, the image of Shaheen Shahid being played out, from the very beginning when NDTV first broke in the country that this is a terror conspiracy and this is a terror attack, not merely a terror attack but possibly a suicide bombing as well. We've tried to chain together this entire puzzle of how many people are involved in this entire exercise, from Amir to Tariq to all other people who have been involved in this entire terror conspiracy, and how there were chains that were created, some kind of a barrier for the investigative agencies, the car exchanging hands without any proper documentation, clearly indicating that Jaish-e-Mohammed
कार का पूरा सहयोग उनके साथ है, पूरी संवेदनाएं भी.
Trying to get you Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta's comment there. We'll go back to it. But continue, Aditya. We were talking about Shaheen Shahid. We're bringing our viewers the first image of Shaheen Shahid. Also tell us about the alleged role that she has played in this entire process ahead and in the run-up to the Delhi explosion.
Well, yes, for the first time, yet again on NDTV, the image of Shaheen Shahid is being played out. She's a key element, the only woman who was part of this Jaish-e-Mohammed module, helping out these key 3 to 4 doctors who've been involved in this terror conspiracy. It's not just about the Kashmir Valley where it all began, where the handlers have been arrested as well, but there are, the chains and the, roots of this conspiracy going from Faridabad in Haryana to Saharanpur in Uttar Pradesh to, in fact, national capital New Delhi. Imagine 2,900 kgs of explosive and ammonium nitrate being captured from an area where Shaheen was also involved very closely with Muzammil. In fact, I'm being told that Shaheen has given quite a few details about Muzammil, Adil and the terror conspiracy of the Jaish-e-Mohammed module to the investigative agencies, particularly the J&K police. But as of now, even as the investigations continue and we are keeping a very close watch on that, Shaheen is a very important link in this mystery of a puzzle of the Jaish-e-Mohammed module. While there are 3 to 5 doctors who are in the epicenter of this doctor-led terror module of the Jaish-e-Mohammed, there is possibility that there could be many more doctors or important members of the Jaish-e-Mohammed who could be possibly linked to this in other cities of Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Delhi. That's why the investigative agencies are not ruling out the possibility of a multi-agency probe, where yesterday we saw not just the NIA, the Delhi Police Special Cell Crime Branch, NSG and FSL probing. We also saw members of the Haryana Police and UP ATS coming at the location here to monitor the situation, help in coordination of the multi-agency probe, because this is an attack on India. This is a terror attack 6 months after the Pahalgam terror attack, yet again in the heart of the national capital. The Prime Minister has spoken, the Home Minister has spoken, but the crucial details of the investigation as to how this happened, who was responsible, who was the main target, and how were they able to actually come together with such huge amounts of explosive material is a question that many people are asking. In fact, there's a lot of fear also among the people as to how such a blast took place in a safe area like New Delhi, which is very close to the parliament of the country and also Prime Minister's office and the residence. So there's a heightened sense of security in the national capital, also in the border areas, a red alert in several other states neighboring New Delhi, and apart from that, several other key states, there is a red alert that has been issued. Vital installations and sensitive areas are being checked regularly. There is increased security by the CISF and other paramilitary forces, including at airports, railway stations, bus stands and other locations. So this particular attack might have been in desperation, but Vedika, there could be possibility of the tentacles of this module spreading wide in other states as well, and that's why they are not ruling out the possibility of other police forces being involved in this multi-pronged exercise. That's why the Home Minister is monitoring the situation very, very closely. They're trying to see if there are other members of the Jaish-e-Mohammed module like Shaheen Shahid, like Umar Muzammil and Adil, who could be still on the run or in hiding, because in many cases these are radicalized, educated youth who are part of a sleeper cell, and they are giving ammunition and explosive material and given a task by the Jaish-e-Mohammed leadership and the ISI. In this particular case, however, a massive tragedy, a massive terror attack has been averted at this particular stage, even though a low-key terror attack did take place outside the Red Fort. And now the priority for the security agencies would be to nab the last perpetrators and also to ensure that the perpetrators come to justice, but to come together for the public and tell us what exactly happened, who were responsible for it, and to frame together the entire sequence of events.
Aditya, stay with me. A very quick recap for our viewers. For the first time, you're seeing the image of Dr. Shaheen. To the right of my screen, you can see her there. That is the first image NDTV is bringing to you of a person who was arrested yesterday. Her alleged links with the Jaish-e-Mohammed also being established at this point. Remember, a huge amount of ammunition was seized from Shaheen's car.